The ANDELI 135Amp 4-in-1 welder is a versatile tool, combining multiple welding capabilities including Flux Core Gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. It features a large 4.1-inch LED display that provides clear and accurate real-time data, enhancing user experience without the need to remove protective gear. This welder's powerful 135-amp output can handle thick mild steel plates, making it ideal for both home DIY tasks and professional-grade projects. The dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts allows for flexibility and adaptability across various job settings. Smart Synergic Control Technology simplifies the welding process by automatically optimizing voltage and wire feed speed, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The welder is designed with advanced protection systems to prevent damage from power fluctuations, ensuring durability and a long lifespan.